Welcome to this video. We are talking about science, food and its components. First, let us have a look at what are the nutrients, the food components. We can make long list of items that we like to eat. We can also make a long list of items that are edible as food. We may not like, but other people might be eating. So what are these things that we eat? For example, somebody says, I'm eating a pizza. Then what is the component of a pizza? The pizza is made up of a flour, then we have some pickles, then we have some jalapenos, then we have some cheese on it, then we have some flavoring agents, some tastemakers, and then we have some fat or salt or oil. All those things are there that goes into the pizza. So these are the different ingredients that are used to make a pizza. Now, each of these ingredients, cheese may contain something, the flour may contain something. So each of these ingredients will have some components. So why do we eat different types of food? That we eat different types of food depending upon the season, climate or culture. What people in India eat and what people in Africa eat may not be same. What people in America eat and what people in Europe eat are different. This is because of different place, different season, different climate, different culture. Mostly, we eat different types of food based on availability and necessity. Wheat is not available everywhere. Rice is not available everywhere. Necessity is, in cold areas you need more heat. In warm areas, you don't need more metabolic heat or fat in your body. Look at the large diverse country like India, where different states have different culture and so different food habits. Our food normally contains at least one type of grain like rice or wheat, one type of pulse like a dal, one or two vegetables or fruit like a brinjal or a bhindi or a banana. So food in different parts of India contains at least one grain, one pulse, one fruit or vegetable. And these are cooked either in oil from the seeds, that is mustard oil, coconut oil or sunflower oil, or in ghee, or in water, that is either boiled or roasted. Sometimes look at a wedding feast or a Kerala Onam Sadhya. You will have 20 to 30 different dishes minimum served. So when you have 30 dishes, you will have that many number of variety of fruits and vegetables used, spices used. At times, you will have only a simple dal chawal or dal roti. What are the contents of the ingredients of this food? What does this dal contain? What does this chawal or roti contain? Chawal is rice and roti is bread like chapati or parota. So these food items contain carbohydrate, protein, minerals, vitamins and fats. So these are called nutrients. Sometimes we eat the plant product as powdered or paste so that it is easy to digest. And what are dietary fibers? Dietary fibers are the roughage. They help in digestion of the food and removing the undigested part of the food. Not all food contain all the nutrients, that is the carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, etc. So we need a balanced diet. Because all food does not contain all nutrients, we need a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one that contains the nutrients in the right proportion, including water and dietary fiber. Nutrients that our body needs in the right proportion is called balanced diet. Fat and carbohydrate are energy-giving food, while protein is called the body-building food. So different nutrients are required for different reasons, for building body or giving energy. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps the body to fight diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for the bones and teeth. So we need all these vitamins. Then minerals are essential in small amounts. Water helps to absorb the nutrients from the food. Most food items usually have more than one nutrient. But some nutrient is too much, in too high a proportion. For example, in rice, carbohydrate is in high proportion. In ghee, fat is in high proportion. So testing for the different nutrients. You can test the presence of nutrients in the food with the help of solutions. For example, iodine or copper sulfate or caustic soda. These are chemicals. So iodine turns carbohydrate in the form of starch and sugar into blue-black. So if iodine is present, carbohydrate is present, starch is present, then iodine turns into blue-black. Protein, if present, turns copper sulfate into violet color. So this is a test for presence of protein using copper sulfate. Fat in the food turns the paper oily. We can also test like this minerals and vitamins. Now what are sources of food? Green leafy vegetables are rich in iron, while milk and egg are rich in calcium. These are the minerals. Ginger is rich in iodine and banana is rich in phosphorus. These are also minerals. Fish, egg, milk, etc. provide vitamin D. Citrus, guava, tomato, etc. provide vitamin C. Wheat and rice provide vitamin B. Mango, carrot and papaya provide vitamin A. So these are sources of vitamins. Bees, peas, grains, dal, paneer, fish, meat, etc. provide proteins. Nuts, seeds and meat provide fat. So these are the different sources of the nutrients which form or which are the components of the food. Potato and sugarcane are rich in carbohydrate. So these are different sources of food. What are the requirements for us? The type of nutrient that our body needs, that is what is our requirement, the requirement of the body, the type of the nutrient depends on so many things. For example, if you are doing a lot of physical labor, you need more carbohydrate. If you are young in age, you need more protein so that you can grow. If you are sick, you need more vitamin-rich food because they are health-giving food. So we should eat right kind of nutrient-rich, balanced food cooked properly. Food should be cooked properly. Some food can be eaten raw, some should be cooked. Washing fruits after cutting results in loss of vitamins. Peeling the skin of some vegetables results in loss of minerals. Overcooking causes loss of proteins. Overeating fat-rich food causes obesity. So cooking not only makes food easy and tasty and digestible, but also sometimes takes away the nutrients. But we should eat properly cooked food. What is moderation? Overeating causes obesity. At the same time, shortage causes diseases. Shortage of a certain nutrient is called deficiency. If regularly you are not eating protein-rich food, then you will have a protein deficiency. Regularly, if you are not having a carbohydrate-rich food, then you will have a carbohydrate deficiency. This deficiency may cause disorder or diseases. Carbohydrate deficiency makes a person lean and unhealthy and weak. Mineral deficiency causes bones will have a problem. Iodine deficiency causes goiter of the glands. Vitamin C, if it is deficient, you will have scurvy, that is bleeding of the gums. Vitamin B1, if it is deficient, you will have beriberi or weak muscles. Vitamin A, if it is deficient, it causes loss of vision. So different vitamins or minerals or carbohydrate, if it is deficient, it will cause a disease. If it is overeating, it will cause obesity and other problems. Thanks for watching this video on components of food and the nutrients on science. Hope to see you again soon.